Hello everyone, this is Bacholi with Archean. In this tutorial I'm going to show a little bit more about the build system and how the constructor tool works. So we're going to select the tool and we are in frame mode right now. We can hold C to select the different modes. So we have the frame mode here. We can have wall, cube, slope, corner, pyramid, and invert corner. And while we have any other mode other than frame, we can also select the material, right, with the mouse wheel. So we can have glass, lead, composite, concrete, steel, aluminum. So let's do it concrete with wall mode. And so we can add some walls to it like this, right? But if we want floors, let's delete those first by holding the right mouse button and then left click. If we want floors, we can hold left shift and it will suggest the next logical choice that you're aiming at, right? And you can add some floors, right? So now we have a platform with some floors, right? We can also delete the beams. Let's say we don't want these beams there, right? Or we don't want the middle beams, so we can delete those individually. So let's select frame mode again and hold shift and right mouse button, and then we can left click to delete individual beams, right? We can add them back by letting go of the right mouse button. I'm still holding shift to be in beam mode with the frame mode, so I can add them back and delete them, right? I can just do that, right? So let's say we're happy like this, okay? I'm gonna add some cubes, okay? So with the cube mode, I can add individual cubes. I can delete them with the right click, holding right click, but I can also drag, right? So this adds a lot of flexibility. You can drag it all the way to 4 meters in each dimension, right? So the third dimension will be with the mouse wheel, right, while dragging, okay? So to delete it, hold right click again and you can delete it, right? So let's say we want to add a big block like this, right? So this is a big concrete block. It will be quite heavy, right? So if you want to add more complex shapes, you can do it like this, and whatever face that you're aiming at, that will be the drag plane, right? So when you the face that you aim at while you first click and hold is the frame, it's the face that we'll be using for the drag plane, right? And if you want to scale in the other dimension, you use the mouse wheel, right? So if I aim here, that's going to be the drag plane, right? So that's it for the cubes. Let's try another shape like the slope. So these other shapes, we can actually rotate them with the mouse wheel before clicking, right? So let's say I want it like this, right? I can drag and I can scale it like this in any of the 3 dimensions, right? So I just aim here and then I can use mouse wheel like this, right? Let's see, I'm happy with this, right? So this is a nice slope. And the nice thing about these shapes is I can also shift. I can also hold shift and it will suggest the next logical thing, right? It will suggest an automatic shape that will match that, right? So if I hold shift here, look, it will suggest this slope. So it's like an inverse of that slope, right? So this could be very handful to build very quickly, right? What if we use the corner? Let's drag a corner here like this. If we hold shift here, it would actually make an inverted corner that follows the same shape. And then we can keep going like this, right? And we get a nice 45-degree angle here, right? So that will be it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.